Waxpol New Gen Polish is an easy-to-use polish that is abrasive-free, solvent-free and environment-friendly. Polish in the shade on a cool, dry and clean surface, suitable for hand application. Shake well before use. Apply the product sparingly using overlapping circular motion. Allow it to dry for 30 to 60 seconds. Test if the polish has dried by performing a swipe test. If it streaks, it needs more time to dry. If it's clear, move on to the next step. Fold microfiber and wipe off with overlapping to and fro motion. Use fresh side for each section. Work on small sections at a time. Harder paint or deeper defect will require more precision. Applicable on cars, two-wheelers, fridge, television, frames, radio and furniture. Regular application is recommended for best results. Waxpol New Gen Polish is completely safe and non-toxic. A must for home, shop and garage to keep everything looking at its absolute best.